Hi, watch me embroider this custom order that I received for a gift. This is something that I have never done in a sweatshirt, so I was excited to try this. I couldn't find a font that looks similar to this, so I had to come up and edit this on Illustrator and then digitize it. But I think it turned out pretty great. The person that asked for this also asked me to embroider the names on the sleeve. And it was a little tricky because I had to undo the stitches and then sew them back in once it was done. But I think it turned out great. The customer told me that the person that she was giving this to loved it. So that's always nice to hear. I love working on custom orders because of that reason. They're a little challenging at times, but it's such a joy to be able to do this. And I'm just packing this up in order to take it to her. I just do this to protect it from dirt or anything and put a little sticker there. So that's what I made.